Hi, I'm Anthony with Gigaparts. Welcome to our tech center. Come on over. Here at Gigaparts, we've been keeping a huge secret for the entire time we've been running these commercials. Did you know that we fix desktops and laptops and all sorts of devices? Heck, sometimes it's not even about fixing. Sometimes it's about upgrading. Let's say you want to go ahead and upgrade your hard drive. Maybe you want to upgrade your RAM. Maybe you've got a really nasty virus situation, malware, or spyware. We can get all that taken care of right here at Gigaparts. Maybe your son or daughter wants to up their performance. Here at Gigaparts, we can do that. Do you have an old computer sitting around the house, something that maybe you'd like to get the data off of? Maybe even something that looks like this. There's no harm in bringing it to Gigaparts. We'll help you figure out what we can do and help you there. Stuff that looks like this, that's just a Tuesday here. Cracked laptop screen, broken hinges, haha. Here at Gigaparts, we've seen it all. PCs or Macs, nothing hides from us. And if for any reason your machine can't be saved, it's just past its time, we also have new and refurbished machines here as well. We have desktops starting all the way down at $149. $149. At prices like that, it doesn't matter what the kids do to it. We also have refurbished monitors as low as $29. Each refurbished system will come with both keyboard and mouse. Come and see us here at Gigaparts for amazing deals like these and so many more. Hey, Anthony here with Gigaparts, just letting you know that whether you need an i7, an i5, or an i3, we've got you covered. In fact, 9th gen, super on sale right now. I would call it a fire sale, but it's getting kind of cool. I like this cool weather, don't you? Gigaparts is located at 1426B Paramount Drive, just past Providence on 72, headed west.